We have been surrounded by my arch nemesis. Pelicans! No, wait, not pelicans. Pigeons! Oh god, they're hideous. They've surrounded the area. And it's all because of one person trying to get some White Castle. I mean, look at it. Disgusting. Poor guy. Yeah. There's even something on the top of us. But you can't hear it because of the terrible audio and my extensive screaming. But still. There's too many. And they're coming for our food. I have an idea. Let's do this. I'm gonna try something.
I move the heads a lot, you know? Just stay still, huh?
Be gone, pelicans! Be gone! Get lost! I mean it! It's scary! Alright. I like you. You seem like a very respectable individual. Too bad you're not having this. I don't know where this goes. Look at them. They're all over this place. Why are there so many pelicans at the McDonald's? See, look, happy people at McDonald's. It's so weird. Are they following? No, they're not following. I think I'm just... I was scared for a second. Ugh. So, I'm just gonna go back inside. Pelicans won't attack me. Anyway, they're leaving! What?